guys, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. We're back on the Gold Coast working on this FG Falcon. Specifically, we're going to be swapping out the little resistor that sits on the thermofan that tells the ECU the current temperature of the radiator, therefore controlling the electricity of the fan, etc. So that's what we're going to be swapping out. Super important, because if this packs up, the fan just goes to full speed all the time, which is not going to cause you any long-term dramas, but yeah, it'll obviously be annoying. It's going to be real loud. So if you're finding that's what your car sounds like, likely it's going to be this little resistor. Good news is from first impressions, I believe this just pops straight out. You're going to need a little snub nose Phillips head screwdriver. I've got it on my little side, what do they call it, like a side impact gun. Super easy to pull out. Come over here, I'll show you. Get this light here. So, first things first, on this fan, now guys, by the way, it suits BA, BF and FG, and all of them are almost exactly the same, but the FG one sits in behind this, so you just grab this plug, pop it up like so, and just get that wire out of the way for now, and then you just bring your little Phillips head in, and there's a little Phillips head screw just here, literally just one screw. Let me just set that to go the other way. Oh God. And yeah, you just pull out that little Phillips head, let the Phillips head drop into your hand, put it up somewhere safe. You can just pop this out, and look at that, pops out like that. Guys, so once I got this out, I realized that this does not separate from this unit here. Let me turn the flash on. See that? It's one unit. So what actually happens is it goes right down into there. Now, see, I've already got that plug. It plugs into in here, right? And if you look at the plug, obviously you guys won't be able to, it is literally just press down and pull out. So what I did is I put a screwdriver down, a flathead, and I poked it in like that, and then I twisted it, and then I grabbed this wire and I pulled it out, and it just popped out. And then at that point, you can just remove it off the fan, like so, and boom, there it is there. So that basically just takes the temperature and adjusts the amount of power going through that cable accordingly. Okay guys, so I'm not going to waste my time and show you how to put it back in, because as you can see, it's literally the exact same procedure but in reverse. Other than that guys, we do have these available at Parts Factory. Don't forget, click on the title of the video, description, order it, get it in your hand, receive it, and then yeah, fit, hopefully have your new one, put it back in, and then yeah, test it, should be good to go. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, my name's Lucas, see you next time.